Holy moly macaroni, NIO stock is down 5% today. From the Monday highs to the lows of today, we are down 15%. Is the short squeeze over, canceled, or are we just doing a pullback, a healthy correction? Well, if you saw my video on Sunday, all right, where I talked about NIO stock, mega short squeeze, shorts are trapped, I talked about how we're going to pull back a little bit. And you can see that on the thumbnail. And I talked about how we're going to pull back a little bit. And that's very healthy. We were very, very overbought on NIO stock. All right. So we are pulling back, and this is absolutely healthy. All right. The short squeeze is still on. We just got to reload the gun. All right. We just got to reload the gun. What's happening right now is the bulls are reloading the gun. The shorts, they see blood in the water. They think this is a time to chomp on, but they're gonna get screwed. All right. This is false hope for the shorts. All right. So we are pulling back indeed. In that video, I talked about how we could pull back down to like 4.87 or 4.72-ish. And that's very, very healthy. That's very, very normal. All right. And well, what are we seeing? Well, first, I want to point out this head and shoulders that we're seeing right here. All right. So here we got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And then this green line over here is the neckline. All right. And then if you take a measured move, actually, I've already done that. All right. From the peak, the highs to the neckline, that gives us a head and shoulders target of roughly 4.76. So that just means that, we could see it go down to 4.76, and this would be a very healthy correction. And if we get down there, we would be oversold. All right. And I would call bottom around that area, 4.7 to 4.7-ish. All right. In my personal opinion, I think that is the bottom. And also, this really lines up well with the fib retracements. All right. We've done a fib retracement from this rally. I mean, we've been rallying for so many days straight. All right. From 3.6-ish all the way up to 6.04. This is how many days? From April 22nd, all the way up to May 6th. Just up, 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 up. We got to have a little breather, all right? You can't just keep on go up and not have a breather. And a retracement, and this is the retracement here. If we look, retracement, we have a 3.82% retracement, which is 38.2% retracement of this move is 5.11. We actually hit that today. So it's very possible that this is it for the retracement. It's very possible. All right. We hit that today. It's very possible. But I'm more leaning towards a further pullback towards this 0.5, which is 50% retracement around a 4.83 area. So, I mean, in my personal opinion, the pullback isn't over yet. We are still bullish long term. All right, we're still bullish. We're still gonna see 7, still gonna see 10, but we're just pulling back short term to this level right here. Okay, and if you look in the past, all right, this is gonna be roughly like 50% retracement. All right, we could even go down to 4.54, but this is a deeper retracement, a 61.8% retracement of this up move, and this is actually mega bullish if we actually get down here. All right. And this would be like super good load up opportunity. I mean, if we look at the past bull run, all right, back when NIO rocketed up to $15 a share, and this was way, 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 way back over here. All right, take a look. We went from here, roughly $7, all the way up to $10, and then we had a pullback down to about $8-ish, and this was a 0.618 retracement, so 61.8% retracement. And then afterwards, we ran up further up to 15. So where are we right now? We are around here, all right? We still got a little bit more pullback to do, and then we're going to rock it up forward. So relative to the short squeeze before, all right, the rocket move up before, we are, just right there. So you know, if we take a look at the entire bullish wedge, all right, this bullish wedge pattern, all right, I've labeled this out. We've been looking at this for a while. If you take a look at the target, all right, the target is still the same. So if you look at the target, which is the width of this wedge, the maximum width of this wedge, which we will set to a thicker line just so that you guys can see, line that up with the breakout target, okay, breakout point, which is around there, right? That puts us up to about, you know, $10-ish, all right, $10-ish. And that would also, so that is the target, all right, $10-ish. $7 is actually where, you know, that's the first target, $7. And then we're going to go up to $10 and maybe even break this trend line to 13, but I am a little bit doubtful about that. So $10-ish, this also lines up perfectly with this purple line. This purple line has also been a very important trend line from the past. Multiple taps before. Boom, boom. This was like back in 2022, all right? February of 2022, all right? Tap, tap, tap. So we'll probably see another tap of this line at around $10. So we could totally squeeze up here. This is the bigger picture, guys. This is the bigger picture, all right? We go up to $10 a share, and then we'll see what happens then, okay? So we are still going to squeeze. I mean, the Envo sub-brand launched very soon. And then after that, we also have excellent deliveries for this month. So we are definitely going to skyrocket up. But on the shorter time frame, we're doing a nice, healthy pullback. This is absolutely fine. And even though right now it seems like perhaps that this might be it, maybe there's some more downside in the following days. Tomorrow or Friday, we might go down to this area, break below 5, and this is perfectly healthy. There are no stock rallies that don't have pullbacks. It just doesn't go straight up unless there's like a buyout deal or something like that. And even today, even though we got a good news with that partnership, all right, you know, stock is still down. It seems like investors don't really give much value to these partnerships, but these partnerships will eventually pay off in the long term. So if we take a look at the mega long-term outlook of the stock, look, again, this purple line is going to be very important. Eventually, we're going to have to break above it, all right? And then we're off to the races, perhaps go up to 20 or even beyond, all right? And that's totally possible, but this purple line is where we have to take this one out, all right? We got to take this one out. But this is kind of far-fetched, all right? We're still quite a far ways from this purple line. We're only half the price of that purple line, all right, which is around $10. So just stay tuned, all right? I mean, like, don't be too surprised. We saw this coming, all right? If you watched my video on Sunday, we saw this coming. Of course, on Monday, we rocketed a bit higher, but, you know, we could see more downside. That's perfectly fine. Buy more. I'm buying more, all right? Buy more. I'm all in, but I'm buying even more, all right? That's the deal of the game, all right? Not every day is going to be up. There's going to be some healthy corrections. Do not get phased by this. The short squeeze is not over, all right? This is just shorts. They're jumping into the trap, all right? Just think about it that way. They're jumping into the trap, and the bulls are reloading the gun, okay? So don't panic. There's nothing to worry about. This is perfectly healthy, all right? Just buy more around here, or buy more right now for the eventual rocket ship move up to $7 or $10 a share, all right? So don't panic. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.